Hey everybody, it's Rebecca at DermDox. So I just wanted to kind of make a quick announcement. I know everybody will be here for our open house in October, but we are bringing on a couple new skincare lines. The first of which is Alastin, which I fell in love with after the first week of using it. My favorite product from that line is their eye complex. So it comes in a cute little fancy jar like this, but the best thing about it is that it helps to reduce puffiness, fine lines and wrinkles, and the dark circles that you will notice a difference within like a week. I mean, it was immediate for me and I absolutely fell in love with it. And it's not sticky or tacky, so you can put it on, and it's nice because the way that it's formulated, you can put it on your lower lid and your upper lid. Another product that I started using is their Restorative Skin Complex. So basically, I don't know if you can see anything on this ad right here, but even after 4 weeks of use, you can see a decrease in the fine lines and wrinkles because of the way that it's delivered. It has your antioxidants in it. It has your anti-inflammatory components. The difference with the 4 weeks of use just in the eye itself. I'm usually a big skeptic when it comes to skincare products. I want to see how they work. I want to see what they feel like. I want to be able to use them before I can give my 2 cents on something. And these 2 products so far I am so impressed with, and I cannot wait for our patients to try them. So if you have any questions or anything like that, message us or stop into the office and we can talk about skincare.